Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, let's see how to change the existing infrastructure we are created using Terraform in the AWS cloud. So for that, what we are going to do is we will be changing a few values in the existing resource, whatever we have created, and let's try to do the plan and apply the changes and see what happens. So for the purpose of demo, I'm going to change the AMI ID in the existing code, whatever we have created. So for picking up new AMI ID, what I am going to do is from the EC2 console, I'll be trying out with the launching instance tab, and in that there are a list of various operating systems available, right? So in this operating system, I'm choosing Ubuntu, and I'll be copying the AMI ID from AWS console, and I'll be changing it in the Terraform code, whatever we have. So I'm just changing the AMI ID by picking it from the EC2 instance launch template. So now let's see like what happens when we apply this. So if you do the Terraform plan, it will be replacing the existing AMI with the new AMI. So it is showing us plan will be like no one to add with the new AMI, and destroy the previous EC2 instance which is having the older AMI. So that is the idea. So let's try to apply this. So now first it will delete the existing uh, EC2 instance, and then it will create the new one. You can see it is now destroying the existing EC2 instance which is having the older AMI ID, and then it will create the new EC2 instance with the new AMI, whatever we have provided. So you can see now it is creating the new EC2 instance with the new AMI ID. That's it. So the play has been completed now. And if you go and see the dashboard, you can see like one instance has been created with the new AMI ID. See, this is the AMI we have chosen now. So that's the demo of changing infrastructure. And since this is a demo, I am going to destroy the instance we have created. So for that, the command is terraform destroy. So it will be using the tf state file, and getting to know about what all the resources has been created, and it will list down all the resources as destroyed actually. So you can see we are currently having only one EC2 instance created, so it is showing one. If it is more than one instance or many resources, it will show all the resources. And if we click on yes, it will destroy that particular resource from the AWS cloud. So that is about the information I wanted to cover in this video. That's it, guys. Thank you.